How's it going? It's reversal trading where I catch the most precise tops and the most precise bottoms in the stock market. It's none other than my most favorite. I like to talk about a lot of high volume, a lot of good stuff going in, and it's the ticker TTOO. I really like to talk about this one because you can make massive amounts of money if you plan this right, but it could also be the reverse if you're trading in random zones. So let's get to the technical analysis and let's look what we have here. So we've been pretty spot on with this one in the channel in my Discord, and we have nailed it perfectly. I just want to keep an update of where we're at. There's nothing really happening right now. As you can see, we're in a price of support around 23, and we went up to 46 cents. That is a very big range of 100% range, 100% profit range here. So it's like, what do you do here? To me, this is a no trade zone, and we're waiting for a buy zone to appear. Because let me explain what we're seeing here. My red bands, I labeled red because they're sell, and my green bands are labeled green for buys. And this is my Keltner channel. The blue line is the EMA 20, and price always reverts to that. So as you can see, I alerted the buy zone right here, and this is where the price began to pick up a lot of influx of buyers. So right here, it pierced the green and it goes all the way up. So this was over 100% move if you caught this one just to this blue line. And then it wants to go back to here and settle around, and then it breaks the blue and it gets into a sell zone. This one has been great for sell zones. They give you a lot of more sell zones because of these massive spikes. So this technically is not a sell I would have took because it did not break the red band. This one kind of did. This one you can clearly see a break and then it gets shorted almost to the blue line here. This one was probably one of the best shorts right here, and it goes all the way down. So what we want to do is we want to avoid the choppy action like this. This brings emotions, makes you doubt, makes you not feel confident. It's like you get green, you get red, and then you get this big green, and then you go all the way back. This is just a consolidation range where nobody really knows what's going to happen, and it's like flipping a coin. You want to see the price down here if you're trying to buy near this green band, and if you're trying to short, you want to see it up in the red band. So as you can see, like you get a couple of buys here, and then goes back up a little to this blue band here. Or you probably would take the profit right here because penny stocks, just these little moves make you massive amounts of money. Like look at this move. This was not technically a buy zone, but let's just say you took it near it. This thing can really get going. That's really crazy. But yeah, this is why I like talking about this one. The massive moves, there's a lot of retail in it. And I don't want anyone to just get screwed because I see a lot of YouTubers pumping it, just saying I'll buy every cent. But let's just say you started, buying every cent from right here. I mean, that's insane. Well, what if it keeps going down? You're forced to bag hold it for a long time. And this one had a massive move of 5 cents all the way up to like 70 cents. So you don't want to buy every penny. You don't want to buy every dip. You don't want to see 26. I'm going to buy that. 11, 3, it's down 12. That's just not how you trade. You want to know what zones you're looking at. Just based on this, it looks like support is 23 cents, but me personally, it could break that. I'd rather get near this green band. And these are going to fluctuate. This is not the price it's going to go to. I guarantee it. This is trying to catch up to the price. And because this is a daily chart, so it's going to be a little slower. So this trade right here is just not really in a trade zone. It's going to take some time for either anyone to really want to trade it. But yeah, I love to see a lot of volume. I like to see these massive candles, 65% on this day, 5 days ago. But anyways, if you guys want to join, there's a free Discord here. I post all my trade alerts, the highest conviction ones I post right in here of exactly what I was just showing. I use other indicators to find more precise. I just took FMC calls before the bell on Friday, and I will show you guys why. But yeah, there's a watch list. I go over the setup video of what I just talked about, how to get all that. Feel free. It's free for now. I don't charge a subscription, and you can see that we are at 100% win rate so far just because we're choosing high value calls and we do not bag hold. and you get massive returns on the reversals. That's why I like the reversal strategy. When they present itself, you put some good money in it, and you'll get good returns out of it. As you can see with this ticker right here. Beautiful setup. But yeah, feel free to join it. I'll put the link in the description and the link in the chat of the YouTube, and look forward to seeing you guys. Have a good weekend.